everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Hyper-V on a Server 2012 within a VMware Workstation environment. Now, within a VMware Workstation environment, if you try to install Hyper-V, it won't be installed because you cannot install a virtual environment inside a virtual environment. As we are in VMware Workstation, you won't be able to install Hyper-V. As I'm going to show you now that on this server 2, I have two servers, server 1 and server 2. On server 2, I'm going to try and install Hyper-V role on this. As soon as I try it, it should give me an error message. So this is the error message. The error message says Hyper-V cannot be installed. A hypervisor is already running. So on this machine there is already hypervisor running. So I'm going to show you how we can install hypervisor on this role. Now, in order to do this, what we need to do is first of all shut down this VM. So we can shut down this VM, power off. Secondly, what we need to do is we need to find out where this VM is. So if you can drag your mouse here, it shows you in the tooltip where your VM is, or if you can also go in this manner. You can edit this VM and then you go to option. This is the working directory. You can copy this complete path right from here till the server name. So this is the VM name. So just before the VM name there is a slash. Just copy this. And then you can go into Windows Explorer, just open Windows Explorer and paste the path. And here it is, here it is my VM now. Let's make sure the name of my VM is this, and the VM that it's not 2, it's 02, this one. So in this VM, all we need to do is copy, we need to just edit this file. So this file is a VMX file. VMX file is a VMware configuration file. And this file has all your VM configurations. All I need to do is right click on it and open with Notepad. If you don't see a Notepad option here, all you can do is choose default programs. Within default programs, just uncheck this. And I can see Notepad here. If you don't see Notepad here, you can go to other programs, and here in this list you will find Notepad. But I'm going to open it with Notepad, and this is the Notepad. And what I need to do is right at the end of this file, I need to add 3 lines here. Where do I get those lines from? Now, in order to get those lines, I can um, you can just search for something like installing Hyper-V in VMware Workstation. So you can search for this, and probably it is the first link, or maybe there are many different links that would give you the same fix. So if we go to this link here, and if I can scroll down, this talks about the same error message. So it's actually, you can go into step by step as well. All I need to do is copy these 3 lines within the VMX file. The VMX file that I just opened, and I've copied it. You can save it. Save now. Going back to VM. So this is one thing we need to do. And secondly, what we need to do within the proper, we need to again go to edit, go to processor, and we need to select these 2 options. So other than doing VMX file, we need to add it. We need to enable virtual Intel VT. This is for virtualization of virtual CPU, and press OK. And now start your VM. Now, as soon as your VM starts, we'll log in again and we'll now try to add the role. Now, I'm gonna use my password. Here. Now, So let me give a few moments here. Add roles. Next, next. Here we got the error message here last time, and this time no error message. Now I should be able to install Hyper-V role. So when you're installing Hyper-V role, all you need to do is connect your Ethernet 0 to the switch, and next, these are your default location for your disk, and done is now I can install Hyper-V. So guys, this is how we can install Hyper-V within VMware Workstation environment. Once it restarts, so it would take few minutes here. Once it is restarted, right after restarting, we can open Hyper-V right from tools. It restarts and we can open Hyper-V Manager from tools, and you can start working on creating VMs. Thank you very much for this video. I'll see you in another video.